Good afternoon. Welcome to today's trade breakdown. So this morning in the Discord I said, here's my daily and 1 hour charts. We had PCE, price index, and final GDP news drivers come out this morning. So what that means is these two high impact news drivers, the red ones, they're basically meaning an injection of volatility into the marketplace. So we're looking to see some big price movement today. And then NQ has taken overnight highs in yesterday's high. ES has not. I am expecting price to use the blue shaded area, which is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency we created yesterday with yesterday's candle in the new week opening gap to see price lower. And then I said, here's my 5 minute, 1 minute. I said I want to see Asia and London lows swept at least. So I'm expecting a down day today. Asia and London are low hanging fruit objective for a trade, which is basically what I was going with the mindset of today. I just wanted to be in and out. So it ended up working out pretty well. So this is that daily, hold on. This is that daily city I was talking about. This imbalance created here between this candle and this candle. We poked up into there. Let's look at it on the 1 minute actually. Poked up in there, we just went a little past midpoint there. And then we immediately started breaking down. This is when the news drivers came out. Let's look at it on the 1 minute. So the news drivers came out at 8:30. Bang, that's what we did. We took buy side, took this high. While we did that, ES had not taken this previous day's high yet. It got close, just didn't quite want to take it, so we created that divergence there. That's telling me price is pretty much turned around. So I always like to use the gaps created when those news drivers come out, and I always grade them like this. So you see how we run above, and then we start working down inside this new week opening gap. like I said, I wanted to see used. We break down in here, spend a little time in the lower half, come out and create this little BC right here, this little fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap overlaps this daily one right here as well as this one. So I want to see that close below, and then immediately once that happens, I am wanting to get in short in the market. So market opens, we run up here, touch this, just tap the high of the new week opening gap, and immediately start breaking lower. I had a limit order on this fair value gap that didn't quite get filled. And we run down here, create this first presented after 9:30. So I use that, enter here, get short, and then literally took 6 candles to come take out this Asia low. It was 150 candles. I was very content with that today. Especially because I've been spending, the last 2 days I've been spending probably 8 total hours in these trades, so I was going to have a quick one today. And it was quick. I mean, this is a trade I'd much rather have held on to. I was obviously left tons of profits on the table here. We were just coming back down into tap this wick again, this daily wick I was talking about, and touch that hourly imbalance like I was talking about yesterday as well. So yeah, I still would like to see lower prices the rest of the day and into tomorrow, but I'm not sure. This is kind of just been hanging around here. I would like to see a breakdown in here the last 15-30 minutes of trading, and hopefully close down somewhere in here in this wick, and then we can see a down day tomorrow. Come take out these lows maybe, or if not, maybe we'll do it next week. That's pretty much what I'm looking at going forward. Yeah, this is pretty good price action this morning, and just kind of been hanging around today. But yeah, we just came up and tapped this opening range gap here, and then sent this lower using yesterday's first presented fair value gap here. Yeah, this is very bread and butter setup here. First presented fair value gap and sent the opening range gap here. Just took out liquidity, and and just immediately break lower. Feeling fair value, yeah, take out the liquidity. The overnight lows here. That's about as basic as it gets. You'd love to be able to see those kind of days. Oh yeah, here, I'll show you the execution. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I will talk to you tomorrow.